We called Guardian because we were looking to get our roof replaced after 19 years of living in this house. So when they came out, they were very timely. He explained very thoroughly exactly what he wanted to do. So he got access to the attic. After he did that, he explained he wanted to go up on the roof. Once he was done with his evaluation after the, half an hour or so, he came in and sat down with us and went over in detail what his findings were with the camera. That was all really helpful because we had suspected we had some trouble with ventilation and moisture in our roof over the years of living here. The weather turned out to be so nice and Guardian was so efficient that they actually were able to start our roof replacement within 3 days of our signing our contract, and they were done 2 days later. They explained the process very well. They were clean, efficient. Any updates and communication were handled very timely, and we were really pleased with the roof replacement and feel like we're going to have this roof for many, many more years. I have already recommended Guardian to at least two of my friends. And if my family members needed a roof, I would absolutely recommend them.